Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered what signs to look for when a woman is attracted to you? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of attraction and uncovering what science says women do when they're turned on by you. We're talking about those subtle and sometimes not so subtle cues that give away their feelings. It's like a secret code, but don't worry, we're here to crack it together. Stay tuned because you might be surprised by what you learn. All right, let's get started. Chapter 1. It's all in the eyes. Let's kick things off with a classic sign of attraction: eye contact. When a woman is attracted to you, she tends to make prolonged eye contact. It's like she's trying to send a message straight to your soul, and trust me, you'll feel it. Now, I'm not talking about a creepy stare down here. Nobody wants that. It's more about those lingering looks, those moments where her eyes meet yours, and she doesn't immediately look away. It's a subtle but powerful sign of interest. She's holding your gaze because she wants to connect with you, to see if the spark is mutual. And here's a little tip. Pay attention to her pupils. When someone is attracted to someone, their pupils tend to dilate. Eye contact is a powerful indicator of attraction, so don't underestimate its importance. Chapter 2. She's in sync with you. Alright, let's move on to another fascinating sign of attraction: mirroring. Mirroring is when someone subconsciously copies your body language, gestures, or even your speech patterns. It's like they're trying to be in sync with you, to create a sense of harmony. Think about it. When you're really comfortable with someone, like a close friend or family member, you tend to mirror each other's movements without even realizing it. It's a natural way of building rapport and showing that you're on the same wavelength. So, if you notice that a woman is mirroring your body language, it could be a sign that she's attracted to you. Maybe she touches her hair after you touch yours, or she crosses her legs in the same direction as you. These subtle cues can reveal a lot about her subconscious feelings. It's like a secret dance of attraction, and it's pretty amazing to witness. Chapter 3. A touch of nervous excitement. Let's talk about hair for a moment, shall we? Specifically, what it means when a woman starts playing with her hair while she's talking to you. This is a classic sign of attraction, and it's all about nerves and drawing attention to herself. If you notice a woman twirling her hair around her finger, tucking it behind her ear, or even just brushing it back from her face, it could be a sign that she's feeling a little flustered by your presence in a good way. Chapter 4. Bridging the gap between you. Okay, let's talk about personal space for a moment. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll find ways to bridge the gap between you, both physically and emotionally. And one of the most obvious ways she does this is by leaning in. It's like she can't resist the magnetic pull of your amazing personality. Now, I'm not talking about an aggressive lunge or anything like that. It's more about those subtle leans, like when she leans in to hear you better over the music, or when she scoots a little closer on the couch. These small movements speak volumes about her interest. It shows that she's engaged in the conversation, that she's comfortable in your presence, and that she wants to be closer to you. So, the next time you're hanging out with a woman you're interested in, pay attention to how she positions herself. If she's leaning in, it's a sure sign that she's feeling the connection too. Chapter 5. The sound of attraction. They say laughter is the best medicine, and I couldn't agree more. But did you know that laughter is also a powerful sign of attraction? It's true. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll find you utterly hilarious, even if your jokes are, well, let's just say a work in progress. She laughs because she enjoys your company, she loves your energy, and she wants to make you feel good. Laughter is a way of bonding, of creating a shared experience, and of showing that she's on your wavelength. So the next time you're telling a story or cracking a joke, pay attention to her reaction. Does she laugh easily? Does her laughter seem genuine and heartfelt? If so, congratulations, you're officially funny. Or maybe she's just really into you. Chapter 6. Wearing her heart on her cheeks. Alright, let's talk about blushing for a moment. You know that adorable rosy glow that spreads across someone's cheeks when they're embarrassed, excited, or, you guessed it, attracted to someone? It's like a little beacon of truth, broadcasting their feelings to the world. Blushing is an involuntary physiological response, meaning we can't control it, no matter how hard we try. It's triggered by the release of adrenaline and other hormones, and it's a dead giveaway that something is making our heart race. So, if you notice a woman blushing when she's around you, it's a pretty safe bet that she's feeling a little flustered by your presence. Maybe you complimented her. Maybe you made her laugh. Or maybe she just can't handle your dazzling good looks. Whatever the reason, it's a clear sign that she's not immune to your charms. So the next time you see a woman blushing, take it as a compliment. It means you've got that special something that makes her heart skip a beat. Chapter 7. Saying yes with her posture. You know how they say actions speak louder than words? Well, when it comes to attraction, body language is everything. It's like a secret code that reveals our true feelings, even when our words are saying something else entirely. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll unconsciously use open and inviting body language to signal her interest. So, what exactly does open body language look like? Well, for starters, she'll keep her arms uncrossed and her body facing towards you. She might even angle her feet in your direction, like she's ready to take a step closer. It's subtle, but it makes a big difference. On the other hand, closed body language, like crossed arms or turned away shoulders, can be a sign of disinterest or discomfort. So the next time you're interacting with a woman you're interested in, pay attention to her body language. Is she open and inviting or closed off and distant? Her body will tell you everything you need to know. Chapter 8. The Power of Touch. All right, let's talk about touch, shall we? And no, I'm not talking about anything inappropriate. I'm talking about those light, playful touches that send shivers down your spine. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll find excuses to touch you, even if it's just for a fleeting moment. It's like she can't resist the urge to bridge the physical gap between you, to create a spark of connection. It might be a gentle touch on your arm when she's making a point, a playful nudge with her shoulder, or even a lingering hand on your back as you walk through a crowded room. These small gestures speak volumes about her attraction. Touch is a powerful form of communication, and it releases feel-good hormones like oxytocin, which is often called the cuddle hormone. It creates a sense of intimacy, trust, and connection. If you notice that a woman is finding excuses to touch you, it's definitely a good sign that she enjoys your company and that she's comfortable with physical contact. Chapter 9. She wants to know your story. You know what they say, curiosity killed the cat, but it also might just win you a date. That's right. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll be genuinely interested in getting to know you on a deeper level. One of the biggest signs that a woman is attracted to you is that she'll ask you personal questions. She won't just stick to small talk about the weather or the latest news. She'll want to know about your passions, your dreams, your fears, your favorite childhood memories. She'll listen intently to your answers, her eyes sparkling with curiosity and maybe even a touch of admiration. She'll remember the little details that you share, and she might even bring them up in future conversations. So the next time you're talking to a woman you're interested in, pay attention to the questions she asks. If they are thoughtful and engaging, you've officially piqued her curiosity. Chapter 10. Singing Your Praises. All right, let's be honest. Who doesn't love a good compliment? It's like a little boost of sunshine for the soul. But when a woman is showering you with compliments, it's more than just being polite. It's a surefire sign that she's smitten. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll notice everything about you, from your charming personality to your impeccable sense of style. And she won't be shy about letting you know what she admires about you. She might compliment your sense of humor, your intelligence, your kindness, your taste in music, or even your dazzling good looks. So, the next time a woman compliments you, don't just brush it off or mumble a quick thanks. Take it to heart. Let her know that you appreciate her kind words, and maybe even return the favor with a compliment of your own. After all, a little bit of flattery can go a long way in the game of love. So there you have it, 10 science-backed signs that a woman is turned on by you. From lingering eye contact to playful touches and genuine compliments, these subtle cues can reveal a lot about her feelings. Have you noticed any of these signs before? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your stories and experiences. Thanks for watching and see you next time.